Hey Peyton, show me your shoes. Are they kind of hard to walk in? They're awfully cute. Kind of hard to walk in though, huh? Are you dancing in them? Wow, you moved far. What do you think of the shoes? Are they magic shoes? Are they magic shoes? No? No? No magic shoes? No? Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, we'll talk to you later.